Hello everyone. I, Dr. Namrata Srivastav, Assistant Professor of Economics, BSS Bhopal. Today we will discuss about the Fisher theory, and we can say the theory of quantity, or we can say the Fisher transaction approaches. Under this theory, how many contents we have to complete it? Like, first we know about the meaning of Fisher theory, means what they want in under this theory. Equations, diagram, assumption and criticism. So, first the meaning of Fisher theory, and we can say what they said under this theory. First we know about who is Fisher. Fisher is an American economist, and he wrote the book The Purchasing Power of Money, published in 1991. In this book, they said money is a medium of exchange, and he ignored the function of money as a store value. The quantity theory of money states that the quantity of money is the main determinants of the price level or the value of money. Any changes if in the quantity of money, so there is affected the price and the value also. Fisher words, other things remaining unchanged as the quantity of money in circulation increases, the price level also increases in direct proportion, and the value of money decreases, and the vice versa. What is the meaning of that line? Means whenever you increase the money supply, the result will be increases prices in the direction form, or a direct or a positive way. Why? Because when the money supply increases, means in society the amount of money is higher, and each and everyone have a money, they have a more purchasing power, so the price will be increases. But what was the result we have seen? When the prices increases, the value of money will decline. Okay, so this is the equation of his theory. PT, you can see in this slide, PT is equal to mv plus m dash v dash, where P means price level, 1 by P the value of money which is high when the prices rise, M the total quantity of money which is in the society or in the people hand, V is the velocity of circulation of M which is not deposited in bank, which is in the hand of a local people, M dash the total quantity of credit money which is deposited in the bank. Due to the credit creation, their circulation V dash will be increases. So, V dash velocity of circulation, which money which is deposited in the bank. T for the transaction. Here you can see the diagram. By this we can understand what Fisher said. First, in the graph A, you can see in O axis we have money supply, and OY we have a price level. When the money supply increases, price level will be increases, as Fisher said. So, first we see in this, when the money supply is O to OM, the price will be O to OP. When the money supply is increases OM to OM dash, you can see the result, price level also increases OP to OP1. So, we can say there is a positive relation between money supply and the price level. When the prices decline, OM to OM2, price will be decline OP to OP2. If we talk about the effect of the value when the price increases and money supply increases, we can see the diagram B. In diagram B, we can see the money supply is OM and price level is O1 by P. When money supply increases, O to OM1, the value of price is also decline O1 by P1. Means when the money supply increase in the society or economy, the value of money will decline because the price will be increases that time. Apart from that, if we see the price, the money supply OM2, that time the value of money is high because money supply is reduced. People, they haven't purchasing power, or you can say they have a lesser money, so they cannot increase more demand. When the demand is not high, price will not be increases due to the supply of goods and services shortages. When the money supply is declined, the value of money is higher. In next slide, we will discuss about the assumption of Fisher theory. The assumption of Fisher theory, first, they want P is a passive factor and affected by the other factors. The proportion of M dash and M remains constant. V and V dash also they want to constant and independent any kind of changes of M and an M dash. T is also remain constant, they want, and dependent from M, M dash, V and V dash. It is assumed that the demand for money is proportional to the value of transaction. Next assumption is the money supply is assumed to be an exogenously determined constant. The theory of applicable in long run only. It is based on assumption of full employment in the economy, means where the full employment Fisher theory will be work. In last slide, we will discuss about the criticism of Fisher theory. So many economists, they criticize their theory. So first criticism is weak theory. Under this theory, they want, or they said, the full employment and long run. But in Keynes said, we will not alive in long run. We will die in long term. And the second is the full employment. Each and every country, if we talk about the developed country, there will be little bit chances for underemployment, or their workers, they are not doing any kind of job. So this is theory is weak for two assumption are not fulfilled, means the long run or a long period, or second is a full employment. Second is neglect interest rate. In this theory, Fisher said demand for money and the supply for money, but they want demand for money is affected by the supply of money, but in real life we can see demand for money is affected by the interest rate also. Suppose if I am the businessman and the interest rate of money or interest rate is higher, that time why I am buying this, why I am taking the loan. I will wait for the reduction of interest rate. So in this theory, they neglect interest rate. The next criticism is unrealistic assumption. Fisher theories depend upon so many variables like M, M dash, V, V dash, T. But in their assumption, they said P, T, M dash, M, V, V dash all are constant. But if we talk about the T, the meaning of T is transaction, V the velocity, all these are variables, show the some kind of movements, how we can say they are constant. So this is the wrong assumption. Neglect is store of value function. As we before know, Fisher wants the money demand for the medium of exchange, not for the store. But in real life, if suppose if I am earning 1 lakh rupees per month, but I am not spending whole money in a month, human tendency is for saving some money for future precautions and some other things. So they neglect the store value. Next criticism is the fail to measure value of money. Fisher theory said when the money supply increases, price also increases and the value of money will decline. There is an inverse relation between the money supply and the value of money. But how to measure it? They cannot explain this theory. So this is the Fisher theory. I think you understand. In briefly, I have tried understand Fisher theory or quantity theory of money. Thank you.